Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol POTN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis a couple of days ago, so that's where the green line up there is coming from. But at this point, this line doesn't really matter anymore. Yeah, it still pertains to the chart. It's just not relevant, so we'll just get that out of here right now. And the first level I want to talk about is just essentially the key level of support that has made itself pretty clear in terms of where it stands, and that is right down here at these lows at 22.5 cents. And, you know, if you have even just a little basic understanding of charts, you probably know exactly why that's the case. But you look right here, not only is that where the bounce point was, but you look back over here and, you know, it provided a bounce area right there. So very clearly 22.5 cents is that very important level of support, for the simple reason that if the price does not hold above there, then that just implies that the price is now putting in, you know, new lows again, and new lows, assuming you're long, is not exactly what you want to see. In the shorter term, and this is what I would call the ideal level of support, you say, Clay, what would make this look the best? If the price can stay up here above 23.5, which so far so good in the afternoon. The bears did try to push down through there, but to give credits due, the bulls held strong there. So if that can continue to hold, that would certainly be the preferable area of support to watch going forward. What about levels of resistance? Well, pretty straightforward at this point in time, and no need to overcomplicate things. It's all about that purple line right there, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself further and further down. So just monitor that. I'm not saying the price can't bounce. Heck, the price is already bouncing right now. But any sort of bounces that have any chance at all in terms of turning into some sort of reversal, that purple line right there is going to be kind of what stands in the way of it doing it. So I'm not saying the price can't break above the purple line. I'm just saying that in more cases than not, the price usually really needs to bring its A game if it's going to be able to fight above that 50-period moving average, and then more importantly, stay above it after it breaks up through it. So we'll see what happens with it, but no doubt about it, little miniature bounce here is underway. We'll see if the bulls can build upon this momentum or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.